Hey guys, Super Gadget Guy here. I returned the Razer Black Widow Ultimate Tournament Edition, and I got the Logitech G710 Plus. I didn't want to risk it, drive 25, 30 miles to the retailer to do a swap and have the same issue where the keyboard is not flat. So I went to Best Buy. You can see the little blue sticker from them. To get this one, it is a full size, which is not the form factor that I wanted, but it is still mechanical, has a backlight, which is an added feature, and I don't think the cord is detachable, which it's not a deal breaker, but but I don't want to get another Razer and find it's not flat, but so I get the win with the Logitech. So some of the features, this is on the back of the case. It's 10 key anti-ghosting. That means you can press 10 key at the same time and they'll all register. That's same as the Razer. And 26 key rollover. Game desktop mode, so disable Windows key. Dedicated media control. That's something the Razer didn't have. Programmable G key, so these 6 keys, G1 through 6 are programmable. And also high-speed, low-noise tactile switch for feedback you can feel. So it's mechanical, and let's open it. This way I can game with my lights off, which is the preferred way. I prefer that. Sides, another case inside that case, and this one is sealed as well. They sealed it very well. So, you have it. What the heck is this? Let's just get the keyboard out. Let's see what's included. So the guide is just a plain soft paper, definitely not as nice in terms of presentation as the Razer, and shows you how to set it up, basically turn your computer, connect your keyboard to 2 USB ports, and download and install the software. The Razer software, on the other hand, does not require registration if it's anything like the G13 gamepad I had. Put it aside, they don't come with CDs anymore, which is fine. This is a wrist pad. Good. Didn't know they include this from the picture. Let's see. It's just a matte, sort of semi-glossy finish. Didn't see this on the picture, so it's optional, but I would install it. There we go. So let's look at around the keyboard. Let's see if it's flat, first of all. Guess what? It is completely flat. Let's put it over here so you guys can see it. It is flat. It does not wobble. The keys are very solid. The directional key, as you can see, it's okay. I'm not sure I like the tactile feel of this. It's very quiet. This might be using the MX red switch. I need to, and then this orange bar on the G1 through 6 is not removable, so either you hate it or you like it or you don't care. And then there's the M123, the macro recorder, and then there's the upside down umbrella key whatsoever. I don't know what that key is. And then there's the brightness, and then media control, keep on top, and then there's the volume control, mute, and then your standard keys. It's quiet and it doesn't have the clicky feel. And the wobbly is the space key, but every key feels really solid. I'm not sure I'm a fan of this. Ugh. But keyboard solid. I think I'll give this a try for a week or two to see how it works. So the USB is a pass-through, so in order to use it, you have to plug in both the USB port. I wish, let's see if they labeled it. So I guess I labeled it. One has the USB symbol on it, that must mean the pass-through, and the other one is the keyboard. So this is the only one you will need for the keyboard to function, and this is for the pass-through, so you can use the extra USB port on the keyboard, which is nice because then you can connect your mouse straight into here. That way you have a better chord management, or not. There's a, I'm not sure what these guide is for. Maybe it's for chord management or not. There are legs that can be flipped up. You guys can see it. And the cords are not braided and they're fairly thick. I think this feels like a 10 gauge cord or something. It's a very thick cord. And oh, that must be it. Let's install the armrest. So there we go. It's really soft. It does not have the clicky, and travel is relatively short as well. I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure until I play with it and then do some typing. And I'm actually okay with the surface being semi-glossy. It's not has that texture of the Razer keyboard. So I am not sure yet. But it's definitely a very solid keyboard. It is both mechanical. This may be the red, and then they might have the dampening O-ring on it. Again, I don't really particularly care if the keys are super loud or not because I'm the only one in the room. And I'll definitely do an evaluation of the backlight. And the wrist pad is definitely a cool optional accessory they included. You can totally remove it if you don't like it. You can have it if you do. And then I'll definitely need to see if the backlight is as good as Razer's. If not, at least this time it's close. The Best Buy is only 5 minute drive away. It's not like crazy, half an hour drive. So I will let you guys know what I think of this. Stay tuned. I am on the quest for the best gaming mechanical keyboard. And if you have any suggestions on what I should try, definitely let me know, and I will definitely give it a try. Okay? Yeah. Not gold plated USB right here, and not braided. I wish it is. But the cord is very thick and it's decent length. I think it's enough. Make sure you have 2 free USB ports on it if you want to use all the function and features and stuff. And thank you for watching this quick look and unboxing video of the Logitech G710 Plus mechanical gaming keyboard. It's very soft. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, post in the comment section and I will do my best to answer them. Thank you for watching.